Hi everyone. Today, we are tackling a very specific and frustrating Windows Update error, especially for those trying to get their Windows 11 Pro 24 H2 update installed, though we couldn't update the system reserved partition message. This error stops your update dead in its tracks. It's a common issue, and thankfully, there are several effective solutions. The system reserved partition is a small, but crucial, part of your hard drive. It holds essential boot files that your computer needs to start Windows. When Windows updates, it often needs to modify or expand files within this partition. If the partition is too small or too full, the update fails, leading to the error message you're seeing. First, let's look at the simplest steps. Always ensure you have ample free space on your main C drive. Windows updates download large files and create temporary ones, requiring significant space beyond just the partition in question. Often, the core problem is that the system reserved partition itself is too small. Modern Windows updates require more space than older versions. The most common fix involves expanding this partition. You can't usually do this directly with Windows Disk Management if there isn't unallocated space immediately next to it. This is where third-party partition management tools become invaluable. Programs like Minitool Partition Wizard or EaseUS Partition Master are excellent choices. You'll need to download and install one of these tools carefully. Once installed, you will typically use it to shrink your main C drive slightly, perhaps by 100 to 200 megabytes, to create some unallocated space. Then, you'll move this unallocated space so it sits directly adjacent to your system reserved partition. After that, you can extend the system reserved partition to incorporate that new space. Aim for the system reserved partition to be at least 500 megabytes, or even 700 megabytes, to be safe for future updates. Always back up your important data before making any changes to disk partitions, as there's always a small risk involved. The tool will usually require a reboot to apply these changes. Another approach, though more advanced and requiring extreme caution, is to clean up unnecessary files within the system reserved partition itself. This can be done by temporarily assigning a drive letter to it using the command prompt as an administrator. You would use disk part, then list volume to identify the partition, then select volume X, replacing X with the correct number, and finally assign letter equals Z. After exiting disk part, you can then access the Z drive in File Explorer. Be incredibly careful here. Do not delete essential boot files. You might find old recovery environment folders or log files that can be safely removed. A safer method to free up space can be to disable and re-enable the Windows recovery environment using reagent/disable and reagent/enable commands in an elevated command prompt. This rebuilds the recovery environment and can free up space. Remember to remove the assigned drive letter afterwards using remove letter equals Z in disk part. If these partition-specific fixes don't immediately work, don't forget the standard troubleshooting steps. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, found in Settings under System Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters. This tool can often identify and fix minor update glitches. For more persistent issues, you might need to reset Windows Update components entirely. This involves stopping several Windows services, deleting temporary update files, renaming the software distribution and catroot2 folders, and then restarting the services. You'll use commands like netstop-wazrv and run%systemroot%software distribution.bach in an elevated command prompt. After these steps, reboot your computer and try the update again. These methods should help you resolve the "we couldn't update the system reserved partition" error. They will allow your Windows 11 Pro 24 H2 update to complete successfully. Remember, patience and careful execution are key when dealing with system files and partitions. Always prioritize backing up your data before attempting significant system changes. Thank you for watching this video. I truly hope these solutions prove helpful in getting your system updated. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with anyone else facing this issue. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Stay updated and stay productive.